Hey guys, it's the 117th Con here. Bit of a different video today, but I'll get into the reasons why in a minute. Well, first off, I want to say thank you all for the support that I've been getting so far, and, well, I've been loving it. Anyway, today's video is a bit different. It's going to be a video build log, sort of saying what's going on at the moment, because things are a bit up in the air, because, it's the end of the year, things are changing. YouTube's being YouTube. Anyway, so I'm going to get into the video, and hope you enjoy it. Okay then, so what are we actually going ahead and, building over it? Well, first of all, we got my mobile editing rig. This is Nightblade, originally. Sort of died a horrible death, but then got resurrected and is now Nightblade / Big Sky. Love this paint job. Took like 5 hours to do, but absolutely worth it. It's currently running on an i5-4690. Needs to get its own graphics card, so that's up next for it, along with an SSD to add as both a scratch disk and maybe an extra SSD just for the boot drive. Over here we've got the main editing rig itself, Nightblade Redux, because that one died, this one came alive. So we've got on this a 4790K, a GTX 1080, 32 gigs of RAM. And well, currently the only things left to do on it is get heatsink covers from a Noctua heatsink. In fact, I'll go ahead and remove this. Move these out of the way. Yeah, heatsink covers for the Noctua heatsink. A couple of the Noctua anti-vibration pads, which look absolutely gorgeous. Let's see, there's a couple of them on here. Going to get one to these fans as well as this 120mm at the back. Going to get another Noctua Industrial 140mm to go on the top here. I'm also going to replace this old GT740 with a GT1030 because I just use this to go ahead and output to multiple displays. Helps a lot with editing. But yeah. Anyway, once I get the 1030 though, this is going to go into a new build which I'm currently planning out. It's going to be based around this. This is a Intel Xeon E5 2640, and I'm going to basically be building a small server. Type 1 is a sort of video transcoding server, and 2, well, because believe it or not, I'm running out of storage, because this has actually got like 13 terabytes worth of storage on board, and I'm running out. It's not great. So yeah, I guess the only thing left to do then is, well, order the parts I'm about to order. I'll go ahead and jump to that. Okay, so we've got everything in the basket. Just go ahead and order these, and I will come back once everything's ordered and, well, here. Okay, and the first package has arrived. We're going to go ahead and open this up, see what's inside, and, well, let's have a go at it. It's a lot harder to do one-handed. Okay, so first fans arrived. Now, put that to one side, ready for the rest to arrive. Okay guys, so all the parts are finally here, so I'll go ahead and start building it all and enjoy the montage. Alright, I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I'll go ahead and get all this edited, get it uploaded for Friday, and well, if you like it, leave a like. If you dislike it, comments, thoughts, go ahead and leave them. Anyway, this being the 117th con, hope you all have a brilliant day. Have a good one, folks. 117th con, signing off.